Hello friends, I am Deepak Bhatia.
My name is Yogeshwar Sharma. We both are from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, from Electronics Department.
This is our video demonstration for IJ India Propeller Display Challenge Round 2 Prelims.
So this is a propeller model. Here we have a 5 volt high RPM DC motor, and this is the propeller PCB. It's the printed circuit board on which the 26 SMD LEDs are mounted. Here it is a 7805 voltage regulator that provides the constant power supply to the controller. On the other side of PCB is an Atmega 8 microcontroller, and here it's an IR module having an IR sensor and a photodiode for sensing and receiving purpose. This is a potentiometer that sets the sensitivity of an IR module.
Now comes to the power supply part. We are using two power supplies. First is 9 volt on-board battery, which is used to power supply our propeller PCB. Next is this 5 volt adapter, which is used to run our DC motor. This is a fixed base which kept black for absorption purpose, and this is a white strip which kept white for a reflection purpose.
So let me set the module first. So the PCB is mounted over the fixed base like this. And now coming to our problem statement. The problem statement was that we have to display our name along with our contact number. So with the help of using interrupts and timers, we can solve this problem very easily.
Basically, interrupts are external stimuli which cause interrupt service subroutine. Whenever our propeller PCB crosses each revolution, IR sensor detects the white strip and calls an interrupt subroutine, and then we can display characters of our name.
So now we should see the demonstration for the interrupts. As my friend said that whenever the IR sensor crosses the white strip, the interrupt is generated. The blinking LED symbolizes that the interrupt service subroutine has been called. So we should have it one more time. So the blinking LED symbolizes the interrupt. So let's see what we have made. So we are giving the power supply.
Here is my name, Deepak, D-E-E-P-A-K, and my contact number 8437163486. This will remain for 10 seconds.
So this is my name, Yogeshwar, with YOGESHWAR, with my digits 8566862131, and this will also remain for the 10 seconds. So there is an extra demonstration for our names in Hindi. This is Deepak and Yogeshwar in Hindi font. This will also remain for the 10 seconds. This is all with the video presentation.
Now, in a programming part, we use 8 into 8 bit matrix for our characters and 7 into 5 bit matrix for the digits. Now, for timing purpose, we use timers.
So,
thank you.
Thank you, friends. This is all for our video demonstration. Hope you like it, and we look forward to the next round. Thank you so much.